Hello everyone and welcome to this video on solving simultaneous equations using the substitution method. Over here to the left hand side we have our concept, just here. There we go. And in the concept we have step 1, step 2 and step 3. And step 1, 2 and 3 will be used throughout this video as a guide that we can follow whenever we are attempting to find the solutions of A and B. So, in step 1, it clearly says to label the first equation as 1 and to label the second equation as 2. So, this is equation 1 and we shall label this as 1. This is equation 2 and we shall label this as equation 2. So therefore step 1 has been complete. So, step 2 is to rearrange equation 1 for the value of A. So here is equation 1 and we shall write that out. So we have 4A plus 4b plus 4 is equal to 0. And if we rearrange this for the value of a, we should achieve, let me see, plus 4b is equal to negative 4. Then if we do the same again, we shall have negative 4b, negative 4, and if we divide 4 by the right hand side of the equation, we should achieve, let me see, that is negative b and negative 1. So here is our value of A. So once we have found our value of A, we need to label this equation here as equation 3. Because here in step 2 it says label the rearranged equation as 3, and we have did that, and we have also did the above. So our next step here is to substitute the value of A into equation 2. So here is our value of A, and here is equation 2 over here. So if we were to write out equation 2, so we have 2a plus 4b plus 1 is equal to 0, and obviously we shall substitute our value of a here. So our value of a is negative b, negative 1, and we shall continue writing the rest of the equation as you can see here. So plus 1 is equal to 0. So if we multiply out the brackets, we should achieve negative 2b negative 2 plus 4b plus 1 is equal to 0. Now here we have a like term. We have 2b and we have 4b, and we know that is equal to 2b, and also we have negative 2 and a positive 1, and we know that is equal to negative 1, and obviously it is equal to 0. So if we rearrange this equation, which we shall do over here, we can find the value of b. So, just to recap, we have finished this point here of substituting a into equation 2, and here we are going to find the value of b. So, once we rearrange this equation, we should come out with the value of b. So, 2b is equal to positive 1 because here we have moved the negative 1 over to the right hand side. And if we divide 2 by 1, we get 1/2 exactly. So our value of b is 1/2. Now, in step 3, we need to take the value of b, and we know the value of b is right here, and substitute it into equation 3. And equation 3 is over here, as we have found before. So, let's write out equation 3. Is a is equal to negative b, negative 1. And if we substitute our value of b into here, we should achieve a is equal to 1/2, and that is a negative, as you can see here. And that is also a negative 1 because we are finishing off the equation here. So this leaves, let me see, that it is 3 over 2. So therefore, our answer is our values. And our values are a is equal to 3 over 2 and b is equal to 1/2. And if you follow this guide over here to the left hand side of the screen, you should be able to find any simultaneous equation using the substitution method. Hopefully this has been quite clear. If not, then please leave a comment below and I shall do my best to get back to you. Thank you.